How to use Intercom Messaging Pro properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Intercom Messaging Pro is a powerful tool for customer engagement, but most beginners get this wrong and waste its potential. The surprising truth is that even small missteps can lead to lower response rates and missed opportunities. The first mistake is not setting up targeted messaging. Intercom allows you to segment users based on behavior, location, or purchase history, but beginners often send generic messages to everyone. For example, sending the same onboarding message to both new users and returning customers can confuse or frustrate your audience. Segmenting properly ensures messages are relevant and timely. Another common error is ignoring automation. Intercom Pro offers automated workflows for welcome messages, follow-ups, and support. Many beginners handle these manually, which consumes time and leads to inconsistent messaging. For instance, setting up a triggered message when a user completes a key action keeps engagement high without manual intervention. Beginners also frequently underuse chatbots. Intercom chatbots can answer common questions, route tickets, or even qualify leads. Skipping this feature means your support team handles repetitive inquiries, slowing response times. Configuring a chatbot to handle fax ensures faster replies and frees up human agents for complex issues. A fourth mistake is neglecting analytics. Intercom provides detailed reports on open rates, response times, and customer satisfaction. Beginners often overlook these metrics, missing the chance to optimize messaging and improve engagement. Reviewing analytics helps you understand what works and what doesn't, allowing data-driven adjustments. Finally, many users fail to integrate Intercom with other tools. Integrations with CRMs, email marketing platforms, and support software enhance workflow and provide a seamless customer experience. Not leveraging integrations can fragment your processes and reduce efficiency. To use Intercom Messaging Pro effectively, segment your audience, leverage automation and chatbots, track analytics, and integrate with other tools. Avoiding these beginner mistakes maximizes engagement, saves time, and ensures your messaging truly connects with your users.